Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use card visuals in Power BI. To begin, open your Power BI desktop and navigate to the Visualizations pane. Locate the card visual icon, which looks like a small card with a number, and click on it. This action will add an empty card visual to your report canvas. Now you are ready to populate it with your data, making key metrics stand out immediately. Once your card visual is on the canvas, the next step is to add data. Simply drag a numerical field, such as total sales or profit margin, from your Fields pane directly into the Fields well of the card visual. Power BI will automatically display the aggregated value. Then, use the Format pane to adjust the data label's font size, color, and display units, perhaps showing values in thousands or millions. To make your card visuals even more impactful, explore advanced formatting options. Conditional formatting allows you to dynamically change the background color or font color based on specific rules, like sales exceeding $100,000. You can also fine-tune data labels to show values as whole numbers, percentages, or even custom formats. Adding a clear title and a subtle border helps integrate the cards seamlessly into your report design. For effective report design, remember a few best practices. Avoid cluttering your report page with too many card visuals. Typically, 3 to 5 key metrics per page is a good guideline. Maintain consistent formatting, including font styles and colors, across all your cards for a professional look. Most importantly, use clear, concise labels so your audience can instantly understand the data presented, enhancing overall report readability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.